Hello, welcome to EdaFace Media, which is part of EdaFace Ecosystem. I am Patricia. EdaFace is a user interface aggregator powering the decentralized world system using blockchain technology and artificial intelligence. EdaFace Media will be providing you with regular news updates about the emerging digital age. Therefore, subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep receiving up-to-date news. Disclaimer: the information provided in this broadcast does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. It is purely for your information, education, and entertainment. You can read our full disclaimer on EdaFace's website at edaface.com. Breaking news of the week. First breaking news: Donald Trump's latest comments on tariffs. In a recent interview with Fox Business, former President Donald Trump described the sweeping tariffs imposed on China as not sustainable, signaling a potential shift in U.S. trade policy. He remarked that while heavy tariffs had been necessary, they were unlikely to remain permanently in place. The comments come amid heightened U.S.-China tensions. Tariff had spiked as high as 145% before a series of 90-day truces. Trump's announcement of an approaching meeting with Xi Jinping added further intrigue, hinting at possible de-escalation. Crypto markets were quick to react. The price of Bitcoin plunged to around $103,500 on the fastest moves, though a rebound pushed it closer to $106,000 after the remarks. Futures markets for stocks also recovered, with the S&P 500 futures bouncing roughly 75 points from their overnight lows. While the possibility of easing tariffs offers some relief, the broader mood remains one of caution. Analysts warn that a prolonged standoff without resolution could undermine confidence in macroeconomic outlooks, feeding into further volatility for risk assets, crypto included. Second breaking news: Japan's mega banks to launch yen-pegged stablecoin. Japan's three largest banks are teaming up to issue a stablecoin pegged to the Japanese yen, according to a report by the Nikkei Business Daily. The initiative is designed to simplify and accelerate payments among corporate clients and across borders, opening the door to more efficient settlement systems. The banks will use MUFG's issuance platform known as Progmat to build the infrastructure, aiming to set a common standard for payment settlement between corporations. Mitsubishi Corporation, which has more than 240 operating companies, is expected to begin using the token for eternal settlement among its global subsidiaries. Beyond reducing transaction costs and administrative burdens, this project could streamline remittance, dividends, acquisitions, and customer transactions by using blockchain technology in the background while remaining compliant with regulatory norms. Regulators in Japan have already laid the groundwork. Under the Revised Payment Services Act, stablecoins are refined and regulated more clearly, allowing banks or registered entities to issue them under strict oversight. Backing reserves must be robust, disclosures periodic, and issuers must operate within the framework set by the Financial Services Agency, FSA. With this initiative, Japan is positioning itself as a leader among advanced economies in regulated institutional-grade stablecoins, moving beyond the dominant US dollar-backed models and creating a yen-based digital payment ecosystem. Third breaking news: Ghana moves to regulate crypto. Ghana's central bank has announced a major shift in how it plans to handle cryptocurrencies. With over $3 billion in crypto trades between July 2023 and June 2024, accounting for roughly 9% of the population participating, regulators say they can't ignore the activity any longer. Governor Johnson Asiama revealed that a draft bill will be submitted to Parliament before the end of the year, aiming to establish a full licensing and oversight framework by December 2025. The new rules are expected to give the Bank of Ghana authority to license exchanges, monitor digital asset flows, enforce KYC/AML standards, and bring more clarity to the market. Despite the ambitions, the regulator admits there is work ahead. Staff for the new Digital Assets Department are still being recruited and trained, and systems for supervision are not yet fully in place. But with rapid adoption and growing financial flows, Ghana is joining other African countries in formalizing crypto policy, hoping to turn what was once a high-risk frontier into a more stable and regulated space. Crypto market analysis. The crypto market is facing another wave of pressure as global financial concerns weigh on investor sentiment. Bitcoin BTC has fallen to around $104,700, its lowest point since June, showing signs of weakness after months of strength. Technically, Bitcoin breaking below its 200-day moving average is seen as a warning signal for traders. Analysts now see $100,000 as a crucial support zone, while $114,000 to $116,000 remains a strong resistance area that BTC needs to reclaim to regain upward momentum. Ethereum ETH is also sliding, down about 7.8% recently, mirroring the weakness seen in Bitcoin. The technical setup for ETH shows declining momentum as it failed to hold key resistance levels earlier in the week. If selling continues, the next major support is around $4,000, which traders are watching closely. Solana (SOL) has seen one of the sharper declines among top coins, dropping roughly 14% over the week. Analysts point to $170 as the most important short-term support. If that level breaks, SOL could slide further to $156 or even $126. On the upside, the coin needs to climb back above $237 to show real signs of recovery. Meanwhile, XRP has also turned lower, though its drop is less severe than Solana's. The token continues to move in line with the overall market downturn. Lower trading volumes and weak sentiment suggest that buyers are still hesitant. Overall, the crypto market appears to be entering a cautious phase. Bitcoin losing its long-term moving average is a red flag, and many traders are turning defensive. For now, stability will depend on improved global conditions, clearer regulations, and renewed investor confidence. Eda Coin update. The NFT marketplace, which is the fifth component of EdaFace, has successfully passed through the various stages of development and is now in its testnet phase, where it is being integrated into the single sign-on system of EdaFace Ecosystem. What is unique about the EdaFace NFT marketplace? Friends, EdaFace NFT marketplace has unique features such as 1. 3 market arenas. EdaFace NFT marketplace is uniquely divided into 3 arenas for each of the 3 kinds of non-fungible tokens NFTs, which are art, collectible, and gaming NFTs. This division allows users easy access and navigation across the platform. 2. Multi-chain capability. The unique thing about EdaFace NFT marketplace is that it is a multi-chain platform. This means it can accept non-fungible tokens from different blockchain platforms such as Ethereum and BNB-based platforms. 3. Intra-chain transfer. Non-fungible tokens can be minted on other marketplaces such as OpenSea or Binance and then transferred to EdaFace NFT marketplace for display to the teeming EdaFace communities. Likewise, users can mint NFTs on EdaFace marketplace and transfer them to other NFT platforms or reserve them in their wallets. This is an intra-chain transfer, which offers flexibility to NFT transactions. 4. Varieties of minting. One unique feature of EdaFace NFT marketplace is that it has 7 minting formats, which are single minting, unimultiple minting, polymultiple audio minting, polymultiple image minting, polymultiple video minting, layer by layer minting, and lazy mintings. No other NFT marketplace in the industry offers such a variety of lending, thus placing EdaFace NFT marketplace over established platforms such as OpenSea, Binance NFT, and Rarible. EdaFace NFT marketplace brings more utilities for Eda Coin. Watch out for its mainnet version that will unveil this unique platform to the world very soon. Introducing EdaFace Mall, the future of decentralized shopping. EdaFace Mall is a blockchain commerce platform that links physical products to online services using both cryptocurrency and fiat payment systems. It is a decentralized digital shopping platform that revolutionizes e-commerce with its novel bill commerce that enables secure crypto-powered transactions. Note that e-commerce refers to blockchain commercial activities. With a peer-to-peer marketplace, global accessibility, and blockchain-backed security, users can shop and sell effortlessly using cryptocurrency. Say goodbye to intermediaries and hello to a seamless, borderless shopping experience. Explore the future of online commerce today. You can access the EdaFace Mall by visiting its official website at mall.edaface.com. Good news! Eda Coin now listed on Ascendex. We're excited to announce that Eda Coin, Eda, the native utility coin of the EdaFace ecosystem, is now officially listed on Ascendex, formerly Bitmax, as of June 12, 2025. This marks a major milestone for the rapidly growing EdaFace ecosystem, making Eda Coin accessible to a wider global audience. Ascendex, formerly Bitmax, is a global digital asset financial platform founded by a group of Wall Street quantitative trading veterans in 2018. This global cryptocurrency exchange platform serves over 1 million retail and institutional clients in more than 200 countries. Ascendex has a 24-hour spot trading volume of $1.3 billion US, making it to be rated among the top 30 crypto exchanges in the world. The listing of Eda Coin on Ascendex opened up new opportunities for both investors and users to engage with one of the most promising utility coins in the blockchain space. With growing use cases across decentralized finance, NFTs, and crypto-powered commerce, Eda Coin is set to gain traction as a valuable asset in the digital economy. Don't be left out. Join in to trade this utility-enriched Eda Coin. For more information, visit the EdaFace website at edaface.com or its social media platforms such as EdaFace Global Telegram or EdaFace Twitter X. Links are being provided below. Also visit EdaFace newsfeed at news.edaface.com for daily news updates in real time. If you enjoyed the news, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join EdaFace communities on social media. Links are provided below. Thank you, my friends, for joining and connecting with us. Till next time, bye for now.